Welcome back to the Rossway gang. Y'all know I gotta always say that though. So start me out because y'all know that's what I do. That's what I say. Y'all know that's me. But anyways, I'm gonna tap y'all in real quick. Okay, so I'm excited. Yay! I am so excited. We are here at Lachey Beauty Permanent Makeup Studio, as you can see. Y'all see that? Again, y'all know I don't like y'all in my face like that, Mike. But yeah.
Meanwhile.
I'll take a couple.
6 hours later.
Let her sing on it right back. Okay. Alright, we're gonna tap back in with y'all then. Gonna get flicky. Flick time. No, I ain't finna know how to act my eyebrows. I did.
Then you can show when you have to break the skin, you're gonna, be numb.
Yeah, for them 20 minutes? Okay. Be back. Okay, guys, so as you can see, she's back. She's back. Well, I can't be back like that all the way, you know what I'm saying? Cause I mean, shit, with the with the everything else going on, but y'all, I like it. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all know my phone be on some other shit, but I love it, guys. Look, take a look. You see it? Yeah. So tap in, cause I like it. Don't pay attention to that. That's just, I don't have my seatbelt on, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I am happy, though, guys. This is what I wanted to do. And since it was only a touch-up, I only had to pay $200. $200. So, yeah, tap in with them. Lachey, she's doing really good. When I say really good, I mean really, 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 really good. Literally really good. Like, you see this. I mean, they fleet. I like to wake up fleeky. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all gonna catch me on here with no lashes and all that. So at least I can give y'all some good eyebrows. You know what I'm saying? Shit, tap in.